In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to reboot Tesla Model Y. So let's get started. So if you want to have a more detailed review or step-by-step process on how to reboot your Tesla model, you can go to this website, tesla.com/info.com/reboot.php, and it has step-by-step process on how to reboot your Tesla fully. I'll do a quick rundown and I'll show 3 different ways to reboot, okay? So the first one is the soft reboot or a screen reboot, okay? A soft reboot is useful when you experience issues with the touchscreen or the infotainment system, but the car is still functioning fine otherwise. This type of reboot won't affect the car's driving functions and it won't reset your settings. So, steps to perform a soft reboot would be to first sit in the driver's seat and make sure the car is in its park mode, okay? And then press and hold both the scroll wheels on the steering wheel and at the same time wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. The screen will go black and then the Tesla logo will appear, signaling that the reboot is in progress. Once the logo disappears, the screen should restart and the system will be back to normal. Right. The next type of reboot we have is a hard reboot, also known as a full reboot. A hard reboot is typically done with the soft reboot, when the soft reboot doesn't resolve the issue. So, or when you're experiencing more significant system malfunctions. This will essentially restart the car's software and can resolve issues related to the overall vehicle performance. Steps to perform a hard reboot will be to put the car in park mode and ensure it's powered on. Press and hold both the scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 to 15 seconds. After a few moments, the screen will turn off and the Tesla logo will appear, signaling that the reboot is in progress. This process might take longer than the soft reboot. Once it's complete, the screen should come back on and the system should be restored to the normal functionalities. Okay. The last type of reboot we have is the power cycle, or turning the car off completely. If a reboot doesn't fix the issue, you can try powering off the car completely for a short period before restarting. The steps to perform a power cycle will be to open the controls menu on your touchscreen, go to safety and security, scroll down and tap power off. Wait for a few minutes, the car will enter a deep sleep mode. After waiting, press the brake pedal to wake the car up, which will automatically turn it back on. The process is similar to rebooting a computer, allowing the car's system to reset. So that'll be it for this video, and those are the 3 types of different reboots which could help possibly your issue on your Tesla car. And I hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.